Morning students. In this session we are going to see about the participants in the money market. Before going to the topic in detail, let us recall the points what you have learned in the last session. We have learned about the meaning and definitions of a money market, characteristics of a money market and differences between the money market and the capital market. Money market is of the short term period and the capital market is of the long term period. This is the main difference. And now let us see in detail the participants in the money market. We will see about the who are the participants in the money market. Main participants are treasury bills, commercial papers, etc. And these are the other things which is followed in the money market. It is government of different countries, central bank, private bank and public, mutual fund, insurance companies, non-banking financial institutions, RBI and SBI and commercial banks, state banks and public. Next comes under what are the money markets instruments. Money market instruments are treasury bill, money at call, that is a short notice, call money, call loan market, commercial bills and the promissory note. In addition to these, there existence of a new instrument which is called commercial papers, certificate of deposits, interbank participation certificate and REPCO. Now let us see in detail what are these types of market. First will come around the treasury bill. What is meant by the treasury bill? Treasury bill is nothing but the bill which is for the to enjoy the higher degree of liquidity. It is issued by the government. Actually, treasury bill is for only 1 year. That is the period does not exceed 1 year. And what are the main features of treasury bills are issuer, finance bills, liquidity, vital source and monetary management. Types of treasury bills. These types of treasury bills actually they will mention the times with the help of days. There are 3 days which is based upon the treasury bill is issued. One is the 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. 91 days bill issue பண்ணோம்னா they will issue a fixed rate of discount at 4%. இதில் எந்த மாற்றமும் கிடையாது, 4% only. 182 is a flat rate, cannot be changed. This is known as an 180 days treasury bills. If you want to invest for 364 days, it is they do not carry any fixed rate. This is known as a 364 days treasury bills. Now let us recall the points for the treasury bill. It is for the short term period only and the features are issuer, finance bill, liquidity and vital monetary management. And treasury bills it consists of 91, 180 and 364 days. 91 ku 4%, 180 days no fixed rate. 364 182 is a flat rate, 364 is there is no fixed rate. Next is about the certificate of a deposit. This is the specimen copy of a certificate of a deposit. It is a short term deposits. It is issued for usance promissory note. I am saying the important points alone so that you can able to note down these informations in the commerce note. And deposit is transferable from one party to another. It is a negotiable feature. It is also called as negotiable certificate of deposits. And issuers are commercial banks, financial institutions, etc. Who are the subscribers? Subscribers nothing but the users. They are NRIs, trust associations, individuals, corporations, etc. And the main features of a certificate of deposits are documents in time deposit, unsecured negotiable instrument, freely transferable of endorsement and delivery, issued at discount at face value, repayable on a fixed date without a grace days. This is the informations and the characteristics. Next we'll move on for the commercial bill. This is very important topic. Commercial bill, it is a short term needs only. It is for 30, 60 and 90 days maturity. And this is the specimen regarding the commercial bill. The features are drawer, acceptor, payee, discounter, endorser, assessment, maturity, credit ratings, etc. Next, a demand and usance bill. A demand is one which is no specific time for payment. It is known as a demand and the usance bill. They are paid immediately as and when the drawer is presented the bill. Next one is the clean bill and the documentary bill. It is accompanied by document in title of a goods, which is called documentary bill. It is also known as a clean bill or drawn without the accompanying document. For example, is that railway receipt and lorry receipt. This you have seen in the 11th commerce book in the export and import process. And next comes around inland bills and the foreign bill. You know the meaning itself. Inland is the within India, foreign is outside the India, which is called as a foreign bill. Next comes your indigenous bills. That is, drawing and acceptance of bills are governed by native custom. That is, the usage of trade is known as an indigenous bills. Next comes accommodations and supply bills are those which do not raise for the genuine trade of a transaction refers to an accommodations. Next very important topic, which is known as a government or giltage market. It is nothing bought and sold, it's called, that is government or giltage or can be bought and sold, it's called government securities market. This is the specimen for this. It is issued for the purpose of refunding the maturing securities. What are the characteristics means? It is first act as an agency. Agency is such as agencies are central government, state, semi-government authorities, etc. Example for this, municipalities, autonomous institutions. Next comes your RBI special role. The RBI takes a special role in purchase and sale of securities. Nature of securities guaranteed interest and the repayment of the principal by the government. Next comes your liquidity profile, which is of giltage securities. Liquidity profiles issued by the government is high. Tax rebate. Tax rebate is a incentive to the investors, and it is a beneficial also. Market. It is made through the over the counter market with the help of two segments, that is primary and the secondary. Forms is nothing but the central and state government takes forms inscribing the stock or stock certificate, that is promissory note and the bearer. Next comes participants. Participants are, that is the central and the state government representing full transfer of resources. Trading is done through the secondary market for the purchase and sale of government securities. Issue is made through PDO. You have to note down this expansion. PDO means Public Debt Office. It is made through the RBI under the issue government. Issue opening, it is opened before the public subscription is opened. This is very important for the creative question. Issue opened at the few days before the public subscription is open. Grooming, this is also a 2-mark question. Grooming is nothing but the literal meaning of grooming refers to, please note down in your commerce note, preparing is the literal meaning. Acquisition of securities with the nearby securities stock exchange by the RBI, which is called grooming. Switching, the name itself specifies that the switching refers to the transfer from the one place to the other place is known as an switching. So what is a switching? It's a stock means one security against the sale of another security carried by the RBI through secondary market. Auction, தமிழில் auctioning அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ஏலம் விடுதல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லை, அதுதான். That is a method of trading whereby merchants bid against another person and where the securities are sold to the highest bidder is known as an auctioning. So from this we have learnt about the participants in the money market and the money market instruments we have learned, and the characteristics and features of commercial bills and other types of government or the giltage securities. With this we are completing this chapter of money market. Thank you students.